My senior colleague, the thing that I was so happy. I went home smiling. Yeah, what if I need soon? Because he must go home smiling. I'm a now one guy, and I hope you are my mother will tell me. Look at the door when only one more time, please. AE33EBN. Go and repent. Hey, my baby got it. I wouldn't leave it in your lapala. I would have found that you will take one after like a millionaire. Our culture is the best. Yeah, our culture is the best. Our culture is the best. We have the best. We have the best culture so far. This is it. The Aga m abata n'ọgbọ now.
Capital here onye na-eme mama ya na nwanne ya nwoke na ndị ezinụlọ a niile. They have been a wonderful supporters to our program. Onye ọbụla ihe ọma gị na-adị mma nwanne gị. Ọ bụrụ na ọ bụrụ ofu nne m gị na ya. Na fọras ihe ọma gị na-adị onye ahụ mma ya hụ gị ya achị ọchị nweghị ihe karịrị ya. So he has been supporting us from the one I bidoro mewe our comedy. And oge anyị gara Dakar, Senegal ya wee bụ obi. Hotel ya wee ebe anyị nọ rankịrị. Hotel ya wee anyị kọrọ ya na Senegal. Mụrụ hotel a ga-asị gị nwa ndị Igbo nwe kakie ibu. Hotel ọta ka m guzo na-ele ya like this. Hotel elu ya hụta. Anyị bụ anyị gaa nga ahụ enye anyị condolence visit. Ọkpọkọ ihe nyere m na gị. Enye anyị hospital. Ị nọ nwunye kwara ịkpọ maka anyị na kooru ma oyi gị tụkwa iwu hotel. Anyị dakasịa na Dakar. So please, he has been a brother. He has been a friend. We are from the same place. And today, we are here to support him. We are here to see our Kanobi, see how we make our. You can see a lot of people came from Dakar. I was flew all the way from Dakar now. When I flew, you want one flight agent, agent of Satan, you have agent of flight. Yeah, but right ticket, sign tomorrow morning we are back to Dakar, Senegal. So we came back to support him. I believe here cannot be seen. My amor, my neighbor, no come. I'm not about to bury me in the building. Igbo na-atụ ilu si onye mụta mma ya zụọ nne gị zụrụ ọfụma and so many people also ahụ ma gbakọkwara today n'ịkwanyere ugwu ikpeazụ because he trained you ema na ị ga-azụ nwanne gị so that tomorrow ha ga-elekwe gị nkwa mana ọnwa ihe ọzọ ị ga-agbakọ ebe ahụ imepe ụlọ ịgba nkwụ imepe ebe hotel ịrọ na Dakar Senegal ị ga-anọ na USA rụọ n'elu mmiri asị na anọ n'elu m rụọ all right, please. Obuni Naga Dakar. Ibroni Igbo Naga Dakar. Please look for Hotel The Capital. Okay. A very comfortable place for you to be. Hotel The Capital. What about the money go away from home? It's a home away from home. When you are not at home, when you get there, you still feel at home. When Grandam fed or at home, as some lamb job, I was going to so please, on your way goes there. I'm not here for louder. Secret. One of the sons of the disease here, Mama, you want to be on the social. How much is us? I don't know what